Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Facebook account onto the XTrend speed trading application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the XTrend application on your device, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now click on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. From here, you can tap on Account, and now you can see the Bind Your Third-Party Account section. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you will see your Facebook, as well as Google and Apple ID. Tap on the link button alongside the Facebook, and this will open up the Facebook application. You will be asked whether you want to continue by providing your account information. Just tap on the Continue As button, and then confirm your decision, and your Facebook account will be linked with your XTrend account right away. You may be asked to log into your Facebook account if you haven't done so already within your app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Facebook account onto the XTrend speed trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.